Let's now walk through how to build the rules to detect the three-candle pattern, often referred to as the three white soldiers pattern, a common bullish reversal signal. First, we create three separate data sources, one for each candle in the sequence. We already have our first data source configured, a 1-minute candle for gold against the US dollar, so we'll rename this bar 0. In order to view the market symbol and currency each rule is working with, you can toggle the Show Symbols and Currencies button. To create the second candle, we simply clone the first candle rule and set its offset to 1 minute. This gives us the second most recent candle, bar 1. Then we clone that again and set the offset to 2 minutes, giving us the third candle in the pattern. So now we have bar 0, the current 1-minute candle, bar 1, the previous candle, bar 2, the one before that. With those in place, we can now add the rules to determine if the three most recent candles are all green. There is a bar-shape rule we could use to do this for each candle. In this example, I will use a logic rule instead. The logic rule consists of the same execution logic functionality you will find in all the rules, but without any actual input data or rule logic to execute. Execution dependency logic provides a powerful way to build everything from simple to very complex logic in any rule in your strategy. To better understand how rule execution works, check out our short explainer video on that topic. The logic rule will be executed after one of the price data rules. Since they will all be executed at the same time, it does not matter which one is used. It is good practice to create execution paths through your strategy that you can easily follow. So I will use the current price data candle as the trigger for the logic. Now the execution sequence is set. We define the trigger conditions for the logic rule. In this case, we want to check if the close price of each candle is greater than its open price. This tells us each candle closed bullish. I simply add a condition to compare the close ask price against the open ask price for each candle. And that's it. You could add additional logic to check that each candle size is greater than 4 pips. This is how you start to incrementally build your strategy to target the exact candle pattern required.